Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnavi. I am from VVIT College ECB section. My roll number is 20BQ180485. Now I am going to explain about derivation of EMF equation of alternator. Now let us denote some of the letters here. P, where P is number of poles, and N, it is speed in RPM, where RPM is revolutions per minute, and F is frequency, which is in hertz, and phi is flux, which is in Webers, and Z is equals to total number of conductors, that is 2T, where here in this formula where T is the total number of turns or phase, or total number of coil slides or phase. Now Kp or Kc, which is equals to pitch factor or coil span factor, and the formula is Kp equal to cos alpha by 2, and Kd is equals to distribution factor, where the formula is sin of m beta by 2 whole divided by m into sin beta by 2. Now let us consider a slater. Slots cuts the flux of phi into p in one revolution of the rotator. For n revolution, that implies 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. For n revolution, we can divide it with by n, so we will get for 1 revolution. For n revolution it takes 60 seconds, then for 1 revolution it is 60 by n. Therefore d phi by dt is equals to phi p by 60 by n, which is equals to, by multiplying this n here into top, we will get n into phi p by 60 here. Now we will get n is equals to 20f by p. 120f by p, and let us consider this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. From this 1 and 2 we can write that d phi by dt is equals to 120 into f into phi into p by 60 into p. Here we just substituted the value of n in equation 1. So by simplifying this, p will get cancelled, 61s, 62s, and the remaining is 2 into f into phi. Let us consider this as equation 3. Now, where this is the average EMF per conductor, that is 2 into f into phi. So this is fourth equation. Now for Z number of conductors, the average EMF value for phase is, this is for one EMF, one conductor, and for Z number of conductors we will just multiply it with Z, that is 2 into f into phi into Z. Let us consider this as equation 5, and the RMS value of EMF for phase is equals to average value into form factor. This is equation 6, and and the sinusoid factor is 1.11, where RMS of EMS phase is equals to 2 into f into phi into Z into 1.11. 2 into 1.11 is equals to 2.22, that is finally 2.22 into f phi Z. Let us consider this as equation 7. Or RMS value of equation of EMF or phase is equals to, we know that we will just multiply with 2t, then we will get 4.44 f phi into t, where z is 2t. Let us consider this as 8, equation number 8. Now in an alternator EMF equation, the wedge factor is included, that is EMF phase is equals to 4.44 into F 5T into Kp into Kd, in where the units are volts. Thank you so much.